Hello, this is Smart Eyes Media. The breaking news on the media now are this type of traffic. Wait a minute. Before you go any further, you have to know which product are you going to promote, how, where, and when. What are the considerations? Okay, like you can see conversion rate, and per click, and then average price, commission, refund, product. There are many things you have to consider before promoting a product. So always check about the things on affiliate support page of the product you're going to promote. You know what? This is affiliate marketing, and this tutorial is going to make for you money of this kind. Yes. So pay close attention, don't skip ahead, please. And comment down below. Let me know which problem do you still have in affiliate marketing. We can solve it, and then we earn money together. If you earn, I earn. Okay? Always check the products information, how to promote the product, where and when. Yes, because you can promote a product that was launched some 5 years ago. you know that's where I say when and where. Wonderful. In any niche, any category, it's okay, but check the information of the product before promoting it. Wonderful. Every website have a product of different category. On JVZoo, you find their products of different category. Digistore, you can find their products. Like, you can do affiliate marketing wherever you are, but the good thing, the converting traffic is in these big countries, like you have seen. So we're going to be using Digital 24 because it is worldwide, anywhere in Africa, China, anywhere. Digital 24 is available, not like other some websites. Like ClickBank is limited in some countries. All right. Today's niche, it is email marketing, and the product, it is just right here on your screen. This product is converting very well, and many people have already been promoting it, and they're giving testimonials like I'm going to show you in 5 minutes to come. Okay, so there are many products you can promote. You can go and check any other product in a different niche. It doesn't matter. It is not a must that you have to promote this product. Good. So after selecting the product in any niche you want, go to sales page. Before promoting, go to sales page, know how to promote this product. Okay, check affiliate support page because they give you tools to use in promoting the products. Okay, so like this case, they have given us this website, and then they have told you how much you're going to earn. It is $343.49 per sale. Check it very well, know how. All right, I am telling you, I'm repeating this. Check the product before promoting it. All right, so we scroll down, come here and click here, because on digital we already registered. And I have a video, by the way, full video showing you how to register on digital 24 to verify your account. All right, so click here, and after clicking here, it will bring you to this page. Okay, these all are tools to use. All these ones you can check and see which one can help you. Okay, you can check, but me, what I want are these email swipes that I've written for you. These emails can convert very well. If you use these emails, I'm telling you, I'm assuring you, you are going to make money. Wonderful. Don't skip ahead, because if you skip, you're going to lose. So copy this email, you go through and check very well, then copy one of them, bring to this website here and paste it. This website, you can publish here anything, any link. Okay, but this is not on, it is not enough. I'm going to show you another source of traffic. Okay, you can put here you link, you bring the email, you change this link. These emails, they have links already. So your job it is to delete the link in the email and paste there your email. Like you see, come here, back on your product and click here, take your link. Okay, come to breathly.com, shorten your link. Blitzly will help you shorten the link, and also it will add something like your link will not look like a scam. Okay, so after shortening your link, bring it here, you highlight and then paste your link inside. Where there is a link, highlight and paste your link from Brittly. Okay, you can click on this public. Yes, it will be published to different people. That is one source of traffic. And after, you can come and see another source of traffic. But please, before I show you another source of traffic, consider subscribing, comment, let me know that you're enjoying the show. Wonderful, you have to make money. Me and you, we're going to make money. This product, like I've told you, it converts very well. Many people have already been promoting this one and they're giving testimonies. We're using these emails. Yes. Now here, pay close attention, because here people make mistake. They forget to remove the links that were pasted when they were these email templates. They already have what a link in them. You have to remove them and then you put there your link. You can come here on SimilarWeb and check this website's alternative. You get as many as you can website to promote your product. But before that, after that, this is the secret. The website to promote your link very well is called Twitter. Twitter. Repeat with me, Twitter. Come to Twitter, open up an account. It doesn't necessarily that you have to be with a lot of followers. No. Just open up an account on Twitter. And then you follow like 10 to 4 people. Okay, remember we have here our email that we pasted there, our link. Copy this link, this email, and paste it to Twitter. Tag people. Okay, and after that, on Twitter, you paste this word in Twitter's searching box. I'm going through, I want to go slow here so that you can understand it very well. Check this category. I need money. I want money. As simple as this one. Copy one of these as it is with quotations. Paste it in Twitter's searching box. Searching bar. Yeah? How do you call it? Searching bar. Copy and bring it here to Twitter. This is searching bar. Paste it and search. Have you seen? Have you seen this is magic? All these people are looking for how to earn money. They want money. They don't know where to get money from. They don't know where to get money from. And this is the traffic we are looking for. If you get this source of traffic, what else do you want? I'm going to show you how to use this traffic. This is Smart Eyes Media. You channel, subscribe please. Now, all these people, you have to check here on latest. It means that these people have just posted on Twitter. They are looking for any way of earning money urgently. They need money. And they are sure that they are going to get money online. Yes. If you don't know, people know that online there is money online. Okay, and they know how to get the money. You just come here and say, I need money, and people with money, they will come and look for you and they give you money. For us, you're going to tell them where the money is. When they click on our link, register and purchase, or they follow, then for us we earn money. As simple as that. You come here, paste I need money on Twitter searching bar. People will just appear like you've seen, and then you go to these people who are looking for money, comment to their posts with your link, with the other email swap that we pasted there, our link. Okay, you comment with that. But on Twitter they have word limitations. You will not paste there h big email. No, you have to modify it and shorten it because they have word limitations. So I would recommend come back here, please subscribe. I'm just happy because I've shown you my secret. This is my secret. This is how I've been getting traffic. So I'm revealing my secret to you. I'm happy for that because you're going to earn money after watching this video. Oh, oh. Wow. I'm happy, by the way. So copy the other email, bring it here, paste. You can like. You have to first like, and then you comment with your email. Okay? Like and comment. But the good thing to do it is to click on their profile picture one by one. Click one and go follow these people. Follow one by one. After following, you'll be at least you'll be ready to send them this email. You see what I've been telling you? On Twitter, they have word limitations. So you have to modify it, shorten it. Make sure when you're deleting, you don't delete the link because we want these people to click on this link. When they click on this link, they will be directed to our sales page. When they go, they will purchase, they will register, and for us, we shall earn money. That is the trick. Before registering, you will not earn money. Before purchasing, you will not earn money. You can promote as many links as you can, but before someone clicks and purchase the product, you will not earn money. So make sure you don't delete the link. All right. I've told you, you have to go and like these people's posts, follow them, and then express yourself. Tell them, yes, guys, I've been wondering if you're free to follow this, and this. Okay? There's no need to gamble around because the emails have been written for you. Okay? This product, it is converting very well, and people have been promoting it, and people are buying it. So if you are out there looking for what to do, please come to Digital 24, look for this product or any other product, come to Twitter, use this really procedure. Go to Twitter, open up account, go to the searching bar, paste there I need money in quotations, and then you will see people opening up. And then you follow these people, you give them your product. I'm sure they will buy because I've been making money with this same source of traffic. All right. Everything I bring here, of course, I test it. Yes, that's why I don't post daily or often because I have to first go and test something before bringing it to you. You can also go to their emails, to their to their emails, and you send them direct messages. And then you tell them more about the product with your emails. You remember to insert there your link. Don't just send them bare emails. Okay. That's it for today's case. Consider subscribing, comment, like, and share. And please let me know how do you earn money in your free time, and how would you wish to be in future. Okay? Yes. What are your dreams, and how are we going to reach there? All right. This is Matt Eyes Media, your channel. I'm your friend indeed, and a friend in need. So consider telling me anything. My email address is always there. I pin it in the first comment. So consider following that email to reach me. We shall talk direct. Okay. And you can promote these other products with this same source of traffic. You can go to Just Visual, you can go to Warrior Press, you can promote products from ClickBank, and you earn yourself money. There's no guarantee that you will earn the real money that I earned, but I'm assuring you, you are in position of earning money because this method I've been using it and I know it works like fire. It's a magic. All right. Don't only send one message and then you say, I promoted it and it didn't work. No. Keep on sending message to different people. Promote as many times as you can. Bye bye.